Hello, what is happening? Today we are talking about one of these. Crystal balls. If you've ever used one before, you'll know what I mean, because you get one, you're like, yes, great, I get a crystal ball, I can't wait to take photos with this. Everything's upside down. We're talking about how to flip the footage in one of these. Because this is a sphere, you really need to feather in all the edges and then just make sure it's spreading, because I don't even think these are perfect spheres. I mean, they look like they are, but like, see when you're editing it, you're like, that doesn't look like a circle to me. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But we're gonna jump into Photoshop and have a look. So coming right up. Right guys, first of all, open up Photoshop and load up your image. As you can see, this is the original image and it's upside down, so we're going to flip that today. First of all, we're going to double click our background layer and turn it into editable layer. Second, let's make a new layer. Click down here, new layer. Make sure your new layer is selected. Go to the elliptical tool, or it might be a square on yours, so just right click it and change it to the elliptical tool. Right, we're going to make a circle, just like that. Hold shift to make it a perfect circle. We're going to move it in here. Sorry, it's a wee bit out, but we're going to change it in a second. We're going to go to our paintbrush, we're going to change it to black, and we're going to fill that in. There we go, fill in black. Now go to opacity, turn that to 50. Well, thereabouts. 50 is fine. Now hit Command T and we're going to move this so it fits inside the circle. We're not wanting it right to the edges, so maybe zoom in a wee bit, because we don't want to go over that natural curve that the sphere has. We want to leave a wee bit at the edge, just a wee bit, just so it's not going over that natural curve of the sphere. That should do it. Now go back up to your cursor key. It'll ask if you want to apply this transformation. Let's hit yes. Okay, let's click, make sure the image next to the layer is selected. Go up to select, then modify, then feather, and make it about between 10 and 15 pixels. 15 is fine. Okay. Then go to select, inverse, then hit delete a few times, maybe 4 or 5 times. That should do it. That just softens the edges of the black circle we just created. Now let's zoom out a wee bit so we can kind of see what's going on here. Let's go hit this layer, hit command, then click this. Then turn this layer off, then go to this layer and hit Command V, and then we just want to go to the edge like here, and then you flip it round. Voila! Make sure it's at 180 so it's perfectly, or I mean 179 will do. Then we want to bring this out just a bit more, make sure it's covering the edges so it just looks a wee bit more natural. Down, and that side there. Then go up to this point up to apply the transformation, and there you have it. Simple, easy, flipped. If you want to make the edges a wee bit, I mean, I could have probably done the feather a bit more so it wasn't as rough around the edges, but it was just a quick tutorial. You can kind of, I'm not an expert on Photoshop or anything, so you can kind of do it yourself and make it better. If you know any better ways to do it, then comment down below. But this was just a wee quick way that I do it. I'll also leave a step-by-step process down below so you can check it out and then try it for yourself. Because I know when I was learning to do this, try to keep up with a video telling you how to do it is very difficult, so a wee step by step in the description will help a lot. So that's the way that I flip the crystal ball. If you've got an easier way to do it that doesn't take as long, please comment down below, let me know, because it's driving me insane doing this every time I take a photo with this. But don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm David Barclay. I'll see you in the next video.